Hello, Cardinal Components here, measuring the thickness of these three materials, and we're getting 379. So we'll go ahead and install the half-inch 13 rivet nut, the stainless fastener. The way this tool works, it's Cardinal part number 6703. You just go ahead and start the nut on the stud, and then push the stud and the fastener threads right on. So it's a one trigger operation. You just push the trigger and the fastener upsets, and then it turns counterclockwise. There you have it. Good install in 375 material, half-inch stainless part.